What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to be going through a lot of parts that just came in this past week, and I'm so excited to show you what we got as far as like housings go and some projects that I'll be working on in the month of April. So be on the lookout for all of these different projects dropping, and also all of the PSPs that are going to be refurbished. If you haven't seen the video yet, this one here, which is where I picked up a bunch of PSPs untested, and I'd say 80% of them or 70% of them were working just fine. They just need new shells. So this all took about, I would say, 8 to 9 days in total. Unfortunately, the batteries were shipped late, so I don't know if we're gonna get them in by the end of the month or in the middle of April. Hopefully we'll get them soon, and they are the best batteries on the market for the PSPs. So hopefully those will come soon and we can get these PSPs sold and shipped out right away. For AliExpress, I bought a bunch of stuff that was very exclusive. Like there's a Hello Kitty, a couple of Monster Hunter ones, a Gundam, a Spider-Man, and I thought, it'd be kind of cool to really see these shells firsthand in person to see how the quality is, and possibly get some more in and do some more refurbishing on some other PSP consoles and see if you guys are interested in something like that. So, and guys, make sure to have the notification bell because I am going to be making content on all of this stuff. So every single shell, every PSP that I refurbish, we're going to do a video on, and I'm going to show you the whole breakdown, the whole build up, and the quality of that shell. But we're going to take a look at it real quick here in this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Now, with everything that you're going to see here, I'll have links in the description down below or in the pinned comment if you are interested in picking something up for yourself through AliExpress or Alibaba. And I think they did a great job in shipping it. Now, the one from Alibaba, that one took a little bit longer because I was trying to make a deal and they had the best prices for these shells, and I got one of each color that they had available. So if these shells turn out to be good, then we're going to obviously get some more and hopefully provide those shells for you guys. I know I got a couple of people that are interested in reshelling their PSPs. Now, if you have a PS Vita or a PSP that needs repair, or if you want to do a shell swap, make sure to check out my website because I do offer those services on there. So the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you. All right, so let's get started with our first item, and I will be giving you guys the pricing. And again, all the links will be in the description down below or in the pinned comment. So we have the IPS screen for the PSP 1000 console. I haven't messed with this in a long time, this type of mod. And this just basically gives you a better picture on the PSP 1000 console. And excited to get a video tutorial going for something like that. So very excited. Haven't done one in a long time, so it's nice to kind of touch back on a really cool mod. And that one was $14.91 off AliExpress. Next up, we have a PS Vita motherboard, and this is the 3G version, which I've been dying to get my hands on. Instead of a console, I just said might as well get a motherboard and just go cheap. And I believe this one went for $30. Yep, $32.30. So with a regular Wi-Fi board, you won't have this slot, which is where the 3G module will sit on, or whatever. And then what you can do is buy a PSV SD module where you can actually have an SD card inside of your PS Vita rather than having the SD to Vita adapter taking up the game slot. And my goal was to have a 512 gigabyte here and another 512 gigabyte on this card, but I can remove it whenever I please so I can play my physical copies, right? So yeah, this was a good purchase, and I'm excited to get this project going here very soon. Why don't you just land the plane right on top of the building? Huh? Why don't you just do that? Next up, we got a protective cover skin for the PlayStation Vita 1000. So I'm trying to revive my 1000 and just try to make it pristine as possible and keep it in a crystal case. And I'll be doing a review on this case here very soon. This one was $2.64. All right, let's see what we got in this box. Oh, we got the replacement buttons for a PS Vita 2000. This is the whole button set. And let's see, this one was $12.18. Oh, yes, this is a very cool housing. So this one is the PSP Go Armor updated double of playtime PSP Go battery pack. So this is the back of a PSP Go, but it's designed to hold a PS Vita battery. So you can actually mod the PS Vita battery and have it plugged into the PSP Go. And this basically covers up all of that space for that battery. And here is the tray where the battery would sit on. And it comes with all the screws and everything. Now this guy was expensive. This was a very expensive purchase, but the quality on this thing is pretty insane. So this one I believe is the Hello Kitty shell. Yep. So this is for a PSP 3000. And I thought this was very cool, very unique. Never seen anything like it. And my wife absolutely loves it. She wants to keep it. Yeah, it looks really good, actually. Very surprised at how it turned out. Quality of this. Beautiful shell. Now this one was $18.90. That's not bad for one of these custom. Yeah, it comes with all the stickers, all the buttons. It's pretty nice purchase, and I'm debating which shell to do because I got a ton of different options now. The next one here is, this was my first package that I received, and this was the I guess people call these the atomic purple shell. This one is for the 2000. Love this color. Looks really good. I think this one's going to turn out really, really good, actually. And it comes with the whole button set. Let's see, this one was $11.90. Next up, we have this bigger box. So I'm going to move my table down a little bit. All right, so this is the limited version housing shell. I guess they don't have a name for it. They just have it color B. So I'm not sure what this variant is. I apologize, guys. But it has a cool little spider icon on the front. It's red and black with all the web on the back. So if you're a big Spider-Man fan, this is like a perfect shell to have. And it has the wicked Spider-Man logo on the back. But this one was $19.14. I believe all of the shells that are in this box were $19.14. All right, next up we have a screen. This is the OLED screen display for the Vita 1000. This is the whole front housing panel, I guess you want to call it. Ready to go. Now these on Amazon go for $35. And on AliExpress they're going for $17.76. Also keep in mind that shipping is $5. Well, depending on your location. Shipping for me was $5. Let's see, I believe this one is the gosh, forgot the names of this stuff. I think this is Star Ocean. This is the white PSP 2000. Yep, 2000 Star Ocean, I believe it's what it's called. Yep, Star Ocean Limited. This is the white and like blue tint, I guess. Dang, that is nice. That. Oh, complete with the buttons. This nice little packaging. Very nice. Oh, we have the, I guess the Gundam. The Neo Xeon Red. This one looks good. And it came in its like own box. I thought they were going to come in boxes like this. But it's all good. This makes it a lot nicer. And I'll include the box with the purchase of the PSP if those who purchase it are interested in something like that. But yeah, look at that. Wow, brand new. Look at that. It's nice. Oh, there's no like lens on this guy. So there's like all sorts of dust. Not happy about that. We're just gonna keep it back. Put it back. Hopefully it's not a return. This one was $19.14. Moving on to this style. This one is very unique. This was a variant that was kind of high up, exclusive. It was like, I guess an artist made it or something from what I remember. I don't know. I just wanted to see the quality on this. And it looks good. Nothing really special about the back, it's just the front. But $19.14. Next up we have the Loco Roco shell. Interesting. I actually had some people comment saying, hey, you should get that one. Complete buttons. I'm not going to take it out the box because they're kind of a pain to get back in there. But it has the little guy on front, which I really like. I love having those icons on the front like that. Makes it super unique. And all of these say high quality. I hope they are. But yeah, Loco Roco 2. Nice. Very nice. I like this one a lot. I definitely would buy it if someone was selling it on their website. Let's move on to these boxes. Not sure what's going on here. First one is... oh, PS Vita 2000 shell. This is complete white. And this shell was $19.39. Ready to go. Next up, we have one that says not for sale. Interesting. And this one is... oh, this is the Black Monster Hunter gold shell. This is a beautiful shell here. $19.13. So I did find someone a lot cheaper. This matte finish on here is insane. That is clean. And it gives that PSP 1000 feel, which... man, I'm going to have to keep this one. What else we got here? The last one is... oh, another Monster Hunter. This is the brown one for the PSP 2000. Those are the buttons. This is a beautiful shell. This one was a little cheaper. This one was $16. And again, I love the fact that these shells have the unique icon on the front. I think that's killer. Like that right there. And there's that beautiful back. Nice. All right, and finally we got a massive box here. I think there are over 20 shells. This is blue. This is for the 2000 model, so it's like a metallic blue. This one is silver for the 1000. This is red for 2000. I don't think any of these are limited edition ones. I believe they're only solid colors or clear. This is for the 3000, so this is like a clear orange. I was supposed to get red, but they sent an orange instead. So we have pink, a clear pink for 3000. This one is like a mustard, or I can't see. Oh, this is gold for the 1000. Let's see, this is the 2000 clear blue. We have a solid yellow for the 1000. We have a crystal, a clear 3000. This is a light purple. Let's see, 1000. What is this one? Well, this is a dark blue or standard blue. We have 1000 clear blue. This is a pink 1000. This one is a clear 3000, just straight up white clear or whatever. We have a clear blue for the 3000. This is, I believe this is like a clear black. Yep, that is a clear 3000. Nice. This is a clear 2000. This is a clear 1000. White 1000. This is a light green clear for 3000. I'm running out of space on my desk here. This one is 2000 solid yellow. This is a clear pink 1000. Clear black 1,000. And finally, we got a gold 2,000. But let's just take a look at the first one, 1,000. Yeah, I don't like this gold. Is this supposed to be champagne gold? Yeah, I guess the camera doesn't pick it up very well. Oh man, this feels weird. Yeah, this feels like very smooth. Like they put a really smooth finish on it. Yeah, that logo kind of off. I think it's off by a smidge. What do you guys think? Let's open another one. That gold one is just not so great. Okay, good. This one actually feels decent. Man, there's like scratches on the ring. Man, that is not cool. I'm gonna have to show them pictures. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Oh man, I'm nervous to take this silver one out. This is one I really wanted to add to the collection, but yeah, it looks like the same type of paint they used. Yeah, it just looks too shiny. I'm not used to that on the back of a PSP. Well, I guess I'll make a different video on inspecting all of these and showing you what's going on, because this video is going to be too long. So thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.